this is Anushka. Welcome back to our channel. So, as you can see on the screen today, we're going to be discussing some minute things about Campus France application. Now, through our previous video, I'm sure you must be aware of how the Campus France process takes place, how the application is done, things to keep in mind for applying for visa, and the scholarship application process and the CVEC process. Now, since the last time, there have been some changes on the Campus France website, and that's what I'm going to help you guys with today. Starting from the website, the website goes like this, which is www.and.campusfrance.org, and this is the welcoming page. This is what it looks like. Earlier it used to look like this. Now, clicking on the login button, you will be directed to this page, which is the Edugo Abroad, where we change the language over here from French to English. And this is what it used to look like before, wherein we sign up. Once you go there, you will be directed to this page, wherein first you have to select the Campus France country. Ours is India, so we will choose and. Later on, you can again translate the page from here. You put in your email ID. We confirm it. You write your surname here. Now I'm just picking up a random name. Yeah. So I'm just picking up this name. You select the gender. You put in your birth date as per your passport. Select the country of birth, the city of birth. Let's say mine is Rajkot. I chose Rajkot. You need to write the same city as per mentioned in your passport. We select the document type, that is passport. We see the validity. Make sure that your passport is valid at least for a year or more than a year than the duration of your course. You just select an ID doc number. The country of issue. And we tick these two options. The first sentence, it says that you are accepting that your information will be shown to the authorities which will validate your file. Once you create your account, a message like this will be given to you that creation is in process, and an email is sent to you for verification. So once you receive an email like this from the Campus France, this is the link where you will click onto. We translate the page. You write the email ID again. Create the password. Once done, an automated message will be given to you that your account is activated. Then you log into the same. You translate, you sign in. We logged in. So after logging in, this is what the page looks like now. Earlier it used to look like this on the old website, wherein the content is the same, it's just they have made it look a little different, wherein we will go for the start my application process. Now this page looks like this. Earlier it used to look like this, like there were 3 different compartments. This is what the sections used to look like that you have to fill in, and this is how the sections were supposed to be filled in. Now it has become much easier. You just choose the option wherein you will be choosing that you have been selected for a full-time degree. Here also you will be choosing full-time degree. You can search your program through the option of program in catalog, but it is advised to choose the program not in catalog and provide the necessary information as per your admission letter. Let's say mine is Masters in Management. I choose the year, which will be the first year. My level of degree is bachelor's degree. My field of study will be management, business administration and finance. You can choose accordingly according to your course. My degree type will be Master Spécialisé. If yours is an MSc, you will choose Masters of Science. If you are doing a particular master's, then you choose Master Spécialisé. You find a French institution. You write the name of your institute. And then you search it. You scroll it down. If it is not available, you write it over here. And mention the city that you're going to study in. The school that I have selected is in Dijon, so I have selected that. The schedule dates will be mentioned on your admission letter. Once doing that, you need to write particular reasons of why have you chosen this institution. You can take help of your SOP or motivation letter that you must have submitted for the admission process in the institute. I'm just writing the text over here. I save it. I'll be directed to upload a file wherein we will be uploading our final admission letter that you shall receive after confirming your admission by paying a certain amount of deposit as discussed or as informed by your institution. Once done that, we save and we will be directed to another section, which is the personal details, education qualification, and language proficiency information. These three have been combined. Earlier, as I said, there were three different sections which we had to fill in. Now there are just one section in which all the three have been mentioned. First, we upload a photo. Make sure that it is within the given size limit. Once done, here is where we attach our passport. Once done, we save it. Next is our contact information, wherein you have to put your address. The PIN code, the city, the state, your number, and then you save it. Once done, you will get such message from the website that this section is complete. This is the section of scholarship, wherein we choose none of the above. We upload our CV. Then choosing your higher education qualification starting from your 12th standard to the latest education that you have received. I passed out in 2018. State, Gujarat. City, Ahmedabad. Institution, other, and the board that you passed out from. If it is Gujarat board, you need to write GSHSCB, and if it is central board, you need CBSE, and you can write Central Board of Education. We select the category 10 plus 12 or equivalent. You write in the marks for CGPA. You can calculate. Select the passing class for your percentage. Save it. Upload the supporting document, which will be your 12th mark sheet. And then save it. Now once done, you upload your university degree from wherever you have done it. You select the year, select the country, select the state, select the university. If it's Gujarat University, there is an option called Universitat du Gujarat, or as per your city, it will be available. You can choose that. Select the degree type. Let's say mine is BCom, that is Bachelor of Commerce. Write the name of the degree. Which will be mentioned on the degree certificate. Field of study, management, business, administration, finance. You can choose according to your degree. CGPA. Again, you can select the class and then you can save it. Upload the supporting documents, which will be all the mark sheets and your degree certificate and transcripts also if needed. Once that is done, this is how it will look. Then you need to mention if you are aware of French language or if you have chosen that. If you have been to France as a tourist, you can choose this and mention, talking about your English proficiency. If you have done your education throughout English medium, you can choose yes over here and then you save it and you can upload your 12th mark sheet. Or if you have taken a test, you can upload the document of the test like IELTS or TOEFL, or you can also upload a medium of instruction which you can acquire from your institute where you studied your bachelor's from. If you are going for a bachelor's degree, you can upload your 12th standard mark sheet. Once done, this is how it is going to look like. You go back, you will be directed to this page. So once you have completed filling all the compartments, you shall be directed again to the main page wherein you select your application, and when you scroll down, this is how it is going to look like, that all your personal details, educational qualification and language proficiency information has been completely filled up along with supporting documents. Then you shall choose the verify your entries and submit. Once done, this is how it is going to look like. If at all there is something which is not uploaded or not filled, it will show incomplete over here. You can click on go to this section and modify it and upload the necessary documents. Please read this very carefully, that once you submit this file, there cannot be any changes. You choose these two options and then click on submit. Once you click on submit, your file will be sent for validation, after which you shall receive an automated mail which will have the payment link for the Campus France process, which will be 18,000 rupees now, after which you shall have your Campus France interview scheduled with the nearest Campus France manager of your residential address. For further queries, you can always contact Edugo Abroad with the information given. Thank you.